Do you feel like you get anxious for absolutely no reason at all? Well, we'd like to share a great little tip with you to help find the origins of your anxieties, because how can you fix anything if you don't know how it got broken?
Keep a diary for clues. When you feel anxious, consider where you are. Consider what you're doing, hearing, seeing and thinking about, and jot it down.
Write a timeline of your life. Consider all the challenges you faced that could have left unresolved emotional wounds.
Cross-reference your diary and timeline. Are there any similarities? Have you ever considered why you have the accent that you do? It's because you copied your environment. So could some of your anxieties be copied too? Notice who you are around when you feel anxious. Is there a link? Lastly, don't be too hard on yourself, especially if you're facing challenges right now.
But once you know the origins of your anxiety, then you know what needs to be worked on.